Mrs. Gerber here with another library lesson. Today we are finishing the engineering design process. You all have worked so hard on your designs, imagining all the possibilities and planning it out and then actually creating. I have loved seeing your creations that you've made. So now it is time to test it out, to see how your design works, and then to improve it if we need to. Okay. In your STEM journals, we will be using the recording sheet as we do our trial runs and see how it goes. I'm going to show you in action first, and then you can go ahead and get started. To get started measuring the distance of our planes and testing it out, you're going to need a starting point. You can see mine was right there, that black line, the edge of the carpet. And then you'll be tossing your airplane from there. And you can say, I also have a yardstick here. You could use a yardstick to measure. If you have measuring tape, that could work too. But I'm also going to be showing you an app on the iPad. It can be glitchy. So if it's crashing or being a little bit glitchy, you can certainly, measure in other ways too. The other thing you can look at too is looking at your design. If there's any improvements that could be made, as I've been throwing mine, I feel like it's a little bit too heavy. And see how I had stacked 3 popsicle sticks here. One of the things I could try is maybe eliminating 1 or 2 of those to get rid of a little bit of the weight to see if it works better too. So you can be improving it during each of these trial runs, okay? All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the Measure app. The Measure app looks just like this. It should already be on your iPad. And when you get started here, it's going to be scanning the surface of where you are at. So you have to just be moving your iPad back and forth till it can figure it out. So what I'm going to do is hit the white plus sign that's right over here, and that's going to make each of my points. So I'm going to go to my airplane and hit that white plus sign. And then I'm going to drag it to the starting point. My starting point was that black line. And there we go. There is my measurement. So where I started, all the way to the end of the plane, you can see that was 4 feet 2 inches. So I would record that down, and then I would hit clear up here, and then I could do another measurement again. Here I am in Schoology, so heading into the appropriate week and the appropriate day. You'll see just 2 things: testing your airplane's video and then submitting your airplane recording sheet. So what you're going to do as you are doing each of those test runs here, if you take a look at the attachments here, there's the airplane recording sheet. And you can see there's 5 different trials that you're going to do and put the distances of each one of them as you are doing it, measuring either with a measuring stick, measuring tape, or the Measure app. And then down here, you just have 2 questions that you need to answer. During which trial did your airplane travel the furthest distance? And what factors do you think contributed to the airplane traveling farther? Okay. You can send this out to Notability to edit it, or if you have the actual paper copy that you want to do in your engineering kits at home, you can just click over into the Submissions tab and upload a photo of that sheet, okay? All right, and this will be concluding our engineering design challenge. I hope that you have enjoyed it, enjoyed creating your planes, and I hope you have fun flying them today.